enthusiasm. Good morning to one and all present here. Respected teachers, parents and dear friends. To begin with, I would like to express my gratitude to sir for giving me a golden opportunity to learn. Myself, Hifzur Rahman. Today I stand before you to talk something that is essential to our personal growth and success, discipline. Discipline is the foundation upon which we build our lives. It is the ability to control our action, thought and behavior in a way that helps us to achieve goals, whether it is school, work or in personal life. Discipline is a crucial trait that separates those who succeed from those who don't. At its core, discipline is about self-control. It means resisting the temptation to take shortcuts and give into distraction. It requires us to make sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. There is a popular saying, success is sum of small efforts, repeated day in and repeated day out. Success is not one-time achievement, it is a result of consistently. Conclude, discipline is about that we give ourselves. It is commitment to our future and a promise to stay focused in our efforts, whether it's in our studies, career or in personal views. Discipline is a bridge between goal and accomplishment. Let's cultivate discipline in our life. It is the key to turning our dream into reality. Thank you and have a nice day.